I'm going to show you how you can install OnlyOffice on Windows 11 and or Windows 10. First off, go ahead and go to their official website, which is onlyoffice.com. Now on onlyoffice.com, go to the download page here. And on the download page here, go to the desktop and mobile app section down here. Now on the mobile and desktop section down here, you want to scroll down, and it depends on which one you want. So for Windows 10 or for Windows 11. I'm going to do for Windows 11 here. So I'm just going to click on the exe file here, and you can see it'll download right there. Now let's just go ahead and wait for it to finish download. Now, once downloaded, let's go ahead and open it up right here. And then let's just double click it to open it. Let's click on run. After that, again, just wait for it to load. Now click yes. Click on OK. This is what the setup wizard will look like. Click on next. Click on I accept the agreement. Click on next. Create an OnlyOffice desktop icon if you'd like. I'm just going to click on next. And then I'm going to click on next. I'm going to click on install. And then let's just wait for it to install just like this. Once it's done installing, you can see just what it looks like. Now you can see, let's just go ahead and launch it to make sure it works. Just click on finish. And then you can see this is what OnlyOffice looks like. Pretty good. It works fine.